Let's work on the last activity for this class. If you read what it says, consider the sentence, Def Leppard is a poor substitute for Van Halen. Write a program that stores each word of that sentence in its own variable, and then print out the whole sentence to the screen using only a single print statement. So these are words, so they're strings. So I'm going to switch to the interpreter right now, and typically you would want good variable names for your variables, but for simplicity, I'm just going to use A, B, C, D, and whatnot to store the values. So A equals def. Notice the quotations around the word def. That's because it's a string. It can be single or double quotations here. It doesn't really matter for what we're doing, but you need the quotations. Leopard is a poor substitute. Now, notice that the spaces between the variable name and the equals don't really matter here. If you have them or not, it's okay. For Van Halen. And I need the equals, of course. There we go. So I've stored each of those words in their own variable, and now I need to print them out with the single print statement. There are more than one ways to go about doing this, and I'm going to show you two. The simplest one is to just write a single print statement and all the variable names separated by commas. The commas will automatically add spaces between the values we're printing out that are in the variables. So print A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Def Leppard is a poor substitute for Van Halen. That worked. Now there's another way we could do this. We could do something called string concatenation. We can actually concatenate strings together with the plus sign. So if I do print A plus a space plus B plus a space plus C plus a space plus D plus a space plus E plus a space F plus a space G plus a space, H plus a space, plus I plus a period. Hit enter. Def Leppard is a poor substitute for Van Halen. So that worked too, and we even got the period that we wanted.